Hi, good afternoon, everyone. This is Muhammad Karimullah. I'm uh, I'm glad to welcome Amar Raja to this Alumni Talk, which I'll be hosting. So, hi, Amar Raja. Welcome. You can start your video.
Yeah, hi
Yeah,
everyone.
hi. Yeah. Amar Raja is currently working in ZOHO as a technical associate. He has been a data analyst. I think I will give it over to Amar Raja to have a quick introduction about himself. Hi, over to you, Amar.
Yeah, hi. Firstly, I'm Amar. Just uh, what we're talking about. I'm working in Jogo as a financial analyst in a technical part. So, firstly, I just finished a master degree in Sri Krishna College, Coimbatore. In last year, the pandemic was started. So my final project will finished with the pandemic and incubation and whatever companies are coming over to the our my college is all stopped because of pandemic. So we don't have like uh, uh, opportunity to attend a others company like a previous batch. So we have left with our own path. So I just search a lot of tech like blockchain and cybersecurity and a lot of things. But finally, I chose data analysis because it's involved some kind of mathematics um, and skills. Initially, I have good skills in knowledge, so I think it will be easy to involve in uh, already known technology field. So I just searched about data science, data analysis, data engineering. So for initially, I have like clumps of mind. So I don't know what is data science, what's the difference between data science, data engineering, and what is that stuff. So then I started studying on my own, but it takes a long time. So I'm searching for a proper guide. So I have a friend of mine who just joined DataMites 1 month before. So he guide me to this DataMites. So I also joined DataMites with him, and I purchased a data analytical course in data mines on a pandemic period. My actually I planned to attend in person class, but due to pandemic and it's taking long time, I have attended in online for about 3 to 4 months, I think so. And then the pandemic was over, and I just searched for the job. So, I'm from Madurai. Yeah, on big company have started in local Madurai. So I just applied to the company. That company is Jogo, and they have. I just what demanded for analytical job, but for their for their requirement, they don't have analytical job in a Madurai. So I just joined as a developer in a financial domain. Like Jogo have a lot of product like analytical product and managing product, lot of product. On that, Jogo Finance is one of the product that deal with the business finance field. So I'm worked as a developer in books. So finance have a lot of product expense, so a lot of things. So books is talk about billing, invoice, and some kind of inventory and account management, taxes, lot of things like that. So I just joined as a developer in financial automation uh, domain. So it's too core to the finance. and the development. So for 2 years, I just work as a developer. After that, I just try to move for a data analytical work. So I just search out other opportunity. So when I search, I have a very lucky opportunity in the Jogo field. So I just moved the Jogo finance team to Jogo analytical field. I mean, sorry, team. So this team have own app like Jogo analytical app and BI tools. So Jogo analytical app is almost like a Power BI. So whatever they have pre-built data connection like a ETL tool. They have pre-built a ETL tool, and they will get the data from any other app and dump into the Jogo drive drive storage, and then Jogo Analytical will do analytical work by using SQL or Python. So I have familiar with SQL and Python. Uh, so I just moved just now. I think it's been 1 year. I just moved in a job analytical field, and now I'm also in a now I'm in a financial field also. Uh, like customer will come, customer will purchase the books like an enterprise customer, like a Tafe, or I'm actually now working on Tafe. So they
Okay.
will purchase a lot of things from finance. Finance is it's a limited one. They can manage the building and that workflow, but they may customer have a lot of expectation on reporting, but books may not be have that kind of features, though. So they will come to us, and we will create a report based on the requirement, or we will give analytical data points based on the requirement. So we will understand the customer, and we will understand the domain, and then we will create a report based on the requirements. So this is my.
Yeah, yeah, nice. It's a nice journey. You have explained your job profile and how you moved there. It's nice of you. So, and like how you are basically your master degree is in finance, is it?
I'm in IT, totally
I
IT.
Okay, okay, it was in IT. Then you kind of explored and you already knew SQL and Python. Then you moved into your data analytics course. Okay. So which during your data analytics course, which subject you felt like was more interesting and you enjoyed a lot that subject, that topic basically.
Topic instance in a data science.
You know, data like you have undergone data analyst course in DataMites, right? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I'm just data analyst and AI and
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
combined package. So I'm
Okay.
interested in certain algorithms.
Okay.
So like I think I just first impressed with the linear algorithm. I think so.
Okay. Like, how did you feel? Like, you felt very easy Python and SQL. How important are these Python and SQL skills? You know, you just told us about you going to use it in your company for our students, like freshers who are going to join our the people who are going to switch their careers from some other domains. How important to what extent level to if you take 1 to 10, like a scale of 1 to 10, how much expertise they should have in SQL and Python so that they are kind of good. They work very efficiently in the company. Yeah.
So based on my field, so
Hmm.
what I understand is SQL and Python is having like a 4 to 5 is enough.
Four to
Uh,
five is enough.
four
Okay.
to five for my field because of
Okay.
my
Okay.
finance
Data.
field.
Mm-hmm.
Finance field is 4 to 5 is enough. What is here more important is understand the domain. So we should understand the domain. Based on that, we can, if we understand the domain, we can easily create a report or whatever it is. But what I'm suggesting is you have a clear idea of SQL and Python.
Mhm.
then the reporting or analytical view will be very easy, or
Okay.
it will be like taking a lot of time, and
Mhm.
companies don't like who are taking a lot of time.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
But I prefer first domain, after that tech.
Okay. So if your domain is good, then definitely you'll be quickly you'll be able to apply your skills, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
for
Okay.
finance field.
Okay. 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 So do you use Power BI or Tableau in your domain? No. Do you have your own what you call tool in ZOHO?
Yeah,
So you don't
for
use Power BI and
yeah,
Tableau.
because they are competitive for us.
Okay. 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 They are
So we,
competitors.
we have a capacity of like
Mm.
manipulating terabyte of data.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
so we
Big
go
data kind
to,
of.
yeah, yeah. We also
Mm.
have big data, and we also have offering service to the client, dedicated service to the client.
Okay.
So yeah,
Okay, nice. That's nice to hear that you are working on that also. For our freshers, how many, like, what all projects he needs to do so that it will be easy for a analytics company, like for a job profile, to apply for a job profile like data analyst. So what all projects he needs to concentrate so that it will be easy for him to kind of represent himself in the interviews.
yeah. First the freshers want to find a domain. So
Hmm.
based on domain, the tech will be differ.
Okay.
So for myself, finance is a domain is a very crucial part. Uh, in data analytics, there are a lot of fields there are data mining peoples they will understand the corrupted
Hmm.
what is called corrupted the data drive, and they will recover. For them, the tech is very high, like 10 point. So
Okay.
if you choose that type of path, the type of domain, you have to very crucial in tech.
Mhm.
But in like finance or CRM, you have to very crucial in domain.
Okay, okay.
So
So, mhm.
first
So
choose your
we
domain.
need to super specialize our projects, right? Before applying, like.
Yeah, before
Mm.
applying.
Okay, okay, okay.
Because if you apply it widely, the time will take long. It's the
Okay.
time will take long.
Mm. Let's because you are working in a finance domain. Let's if you talk about finance analyst, financial analyst, or any kind of data analyst. For a student, like what all the like normal interview questions, especially technical questions and domain related questions, because we are talking about technical questions. So what are the technical questions usually they ask, and which topics they cover? For
So,
fresher, yeah,
so for fresher, what we cover is we will ask about the new feature of Python or SQL.
yeah.
Like in Windows, we are starting to use Windows function. It's a new
Mm-hmm.
feature. So actually, it's a group by, but it will be easy to use.
Yeah. Mhm.
So like that, new people want to know new tech, and then they have to understand the multidimensional data. What I'm saying is they have to compare lot of seats, like 3 to 4 seats, and then they have to come up with the results.
Okay.
uh, so what I'm meaning is, for example, if, I will create. Recently, I have created a question they will have like a inventory data set, and then bill data set, and an invoice data set, and then FIFO is the first in first out. So we have four details. What will we ask is which bill items comes, and on particular bill item, that item, which customer is went out. So
Okay.
like that. So they have to connect these dots.
Okay.
How bills connect FIFO, how bills connect invoice,
Okay.
how these bills and invoice connect this vendor and customers. So they have to make a map from the data point that company
Okay.
provides.
Okay, because it is a specific, very specific role like financial data analyst. So the questions will be very kind of specific related to that,
Yeah,
even.
very specific
Yeah.
because
Mm,
we
mm,
don't choose from a
mm,
uh,
mm, mm.
common entity like a
Okay,
big company like big techs.
okay, okay, okay. In Python, what kind of questions they ask, like, yeah, in an
So
interview for a
Python,
fresher?
normally we will have a set of questions like we will ask them to develop a game in Python,
Okay, okay,
or we will ask them to develop taxi booking services.
okay.
So
These are kind of not live interview. They are kind of you give them project, or is it kind of live?
live,
It's
live.
live. Okay,
They want to develop in 3 hours or 2 hours time period.
okay. 3 hours time period.
Yeah,
Okay.
we will calculate it basically. So
Uh,
it will be not take that project will not the question will take not more than 3 hours 4 hours for a
uh,
uh, uh, correct people.
okay, okay. I got it. Like you have a question, Python question. Develop this game. Then you're given a time, and within that time, stimulated time, you have to submit that this thing.
Yeah, right.
Okay, yeah, okay, okay.
So that game will have a lot of
Mm-hmm.
what we need,
Mm-hmm.
what the post need.
Mm-hmm. Okay, okay. Very specific. Okay.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
we don't directly ask a question what we need. We will ask in a different way.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay,
if
okay.
they can solve that problem, that kind of problem, so they should have a capacity to solve a lot of problem in what customer asks.
Okay, okay. Then SQL, Python, anything else they ask, especially for financial data analyst roles?
No, from financial data rooms, it's a moderate of financial domain is enough. But after
Okay.
coming into the field,
Mm-hmm.
they have to learn quickly. Like
Okay.
in 2 to 3 months, they will
Okay.
they will
Okay.
have
Okay.
a
Okay.
idea of what the financial.
Okay, okay, okay. It was all about your field. Like, you have undergone like data science, a complete package, right? From AI and data science also you have gone through the whole package. Like, just any tips for the students, how to manage their time, how to study, where should they focus more during their course so that it will be helpful for them? Yeah.
Yeah, it's also defined on a
Mm-hmm.
domain. So for a common domain, you have to like data analytical.
Mm-hmm.
You should focus on data analytical. For if you want to go to the AI engineer like that, so you have to really focused on mathematical skills and AI algorithm. Or
Mm-hmm.
if you want to go to like data like a ETL developer like that, you have to very focused on data engineering part.
Okay, okay. So it's better for students initially itself. They become very much focused and follow a path. So on, it will be very useful, right? Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
That's very nice. Very good tips you have given us, Amar. So yeah, like how is the kind of to ask a very general question, like how is your job, day-to-day job, like how it is to work as a data analyst in the company? Any kind of general thing? Yeah, how it is?
For myself, every day is a uh, like uh, data analysis is always finding a diamond in the forest.
Okay.
So we will always find a way to solve the problem. So so my day to day work will be take about 8 to 12 hours to finish it.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but if I crack the domain, it will only take 4 hours.
Okay, nice. Mm-hmm.
If I go to the technical way, like comparing all the details, all the data points from front to back, it will take like 2 days or 3 days time or 12 hour time.
Mm-hmm.
So when I crack a domain, it will be easy.
Okay, you mean to say that when you combine the domain knowledge with the technical knowledge, the things are kind of very the solution is very quick. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah.
nice.
I
Yeah,
just
I think.
learn in a hard way.
Okay, okay. So it's a very important insight which Amar has given us. Nice. So let's see, Amar, are there any questions from participants? We have participants joined here. So we have a question from Rohan Sonavane. Okay. So it's a kind of general question. Rohan is asking, which course is better should we get do to get a job quickly? Okay.
uh, for a common thing, data engineering is will be best for you because every company should have a data engineer. Because
Hmm.
if we are going, if they are going to develop a app or whatever it is, they want to know they have to integrate with other apps like that. So,
Okay.
so company needs is basically data engineer for any other job. If you are a service
Okay.
company or if you are a product company,
Mm.
whoever it is, they want a data engineer peoples. So
Okay.
if you want a really quick job, you can focus on data engineering part.
So since you have mentioned about data engineering, if you have an idea, like what skills are more important for a data engineering, like if you have
So
a general idea. Yeah.
if I, for basically you have to know about the APIs. What I mean is uh, like for example, if you need to connect the app to my app to another app, you
Mm-hmm.
have to get data from me. That
Mm-hmm.
data will be come from any of the way, like a web
Okay.
browser app, and the web browser and the app you cannot get data from myself and put it into the another system. So the only way is API or static IP like that. So for my suggestion is you can go with the API first.
Mm.
So API will be common, like a common thing. So don't go with the listed API like that. They will lot of company will provide a bulk API. Bulk API means for but particular API they will provide a lot of data, billions of data points in a single API. So what you do is just explore that bulky API and then uh, explore data from one app with the bulk API and then import the data into the another app or import the data into Tableau.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a easy project. So you can do with the Python or you can use the script whatever you do. But it will be very crucial to the company. If you show this kind of project to the company, they will easily provide a job
Okay.
because they
Taking an
want.
API and connecting it to your Power BI or Tableau and kind of doing some kind of in between using some Python or PySpark, doing some transformation and so
Yeah.
on. Okay. Okay. It's nice. Nice. So let's see. Are there any questions from others? So we have a very general question from one attendee. I don't know, is it he or she? Its participant is asking, will AI replace our jobs? What's your perspective on this?
So a lot of people talks about job replacement. I will tell you only one story. So I think I don't know the number of years, 1920s or 1940s, whatever it is, I don't know the number. So on the particular period, the mathematicians have a lot of opportunity in every other field. On a particular time, the calculator was invented, okay, and then the job were replaced with the calculator. So if companies hiring a people, instead of hiring a people, they just buy a calculator and make a calculation on it. So, but mathematicians don't stop there. They invented a lot of other things like a rocket, whatever new tech like that, like power plants, whatever it is. So they have upgrade the job.
Yes, yes,
So AI will replace our basic job needs. So it will not replace ourself, our human.
yes,
So we have to upgrade to the new tech, or we have to understand how the AI can be useful.
yes. We should use it as a tool. It's a tool which needs to be used so that to solve a bigger problems.
Yeah, right.
Which AI. Sure. Thank you, Amar Raja. So, are there any questions from the other platforms like YouTube? YouTube, we have only one questions. Then LinkedIn, any questions from the LinkedIn? So, no questions from LinkedIn, and that's it, I guess. No questions from LinkedIn and YouTube, and Zoom. No questions. This was it. Thank you, Amar. It was very nice, and I'm so happy that you have given a very deep insight into the domain, especially data analyst, and also, of course, the other domains also. So it was very nice talk. I definitely it would have benefited most of our freshers and of course the experienced people also how to get the job, how to go into the domain. So to summarize, it was focus on a particular domain and try to get into it. Thank you, Amar.
Thank you. Thank you. All the best.